Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change photo format in InShot. InShot is a popular mobile app widely used for editing photos and videos with ease. It allows you to crop, resize, add filters and even change your photos format before sharing or saving it to your device. So if you've ever wanted to convert your photo into a different format such as JPEG or PNG, InShot makes it simple and fast. In this guide we'll go step by step so you can change your photo format in just a couple of minutes. First, you need to launch the InShot app on your phone and make sure you already have an InShot app. If you do not have so, you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and download it from there as well. So once you reach into this InShot dashboard, what you can do is in the top right corner we can find this small setting icon. Select to the setting icon here, and once you reach into this interface of the setting, go to this photo setting just below the video setting. So over here we can find all of the saving format. So once you import all of the photos you edit, it will automatically change to the format that you have saved it over here. As I'm going to select the HEIF, which is the smaller size, you can select the JPEG, which is for the better compatibility, and PNG for the highest quality. And your photo now will be saved in the new format in your gallery, ready to share or upload anywhere. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.